Most coding and AI programs for kids and teens teach isolated skills or one-off projects. Today we're going to look at a comprehensive, structured program that's designed to take students from beginner elementary school level all the way through high school. And again, you can jump in at any point, no matter what grade you're in, but the final program is designed to have you develop portfolio-ready projects that can be used for university admissions or maybe competitive high school admissions, and also for scholarship applications. So let's jump right in. So we do have pathways for elementary, middle, and high that are specific. However, we're going to do a quick flyby looking at all pathways. As you can see here, our program begins with coding basics. We like Scratch, which is a tool that uses visual block coding that was developed by MIT and a guy named Mitch Resnick. It allows students to learn how to build games, apps, and interactive stories, and learn fundamentals like conditionals and loops and variables and event listeners, and effectively build a series of 2D games and really fun creative projects. We also really love it because you can learn complex concepts without having to write huge lines of code. And as far as it goes as well, because you're building things from the ground up using Scratch, you also can learn about debugging. So for example, if something isn't working the way that you had originally envisioned, you have to go back into your code and figure out what happened. Another thing that's really cool about Scratch is that it allows us to learn about user experience, or UX as we call it in the industry. So for example, if you've built a game and you have your friend play it and they start getting really frustrated and angry, well, that's because the game is too hard, probably, or frustrating, and again, teaches kids how to tweak their games until they're challenging yet really fun. After coding basics with Scratch, we like to move into text-based coding, and we love Python, which is the language of AI, it's the language of data science, it's one of the most important programming languages in the world. It also is considered a high-level language that is very similar to written English, so it's actually quite easy to learn compared to some of the harder languages. After Python basics, we then move to core, which is really the heart of the program. We have 4 different pathways here. We have game developer, software engineer, modern web developer, and AI engineer. So often for elementary and middle school students, game developer is by far the most popular program. And there are many parents that ask, is game developing really, is it transferable? The answer is yes, and I'll tell you why. First of all, I used to build games for the Sony PlayStation, and I can tell you that in other types of software development, many of the concepts that we use to build games are applicable. Understanding loops and conditionals and variables and functions, mission critical. Our favorite track in game developer is definitely Roblox game development. Roblox is a game creation engine. The engine is called Roblox Studio. I know that Roblox has been in the news lately. There is a way of using Roblox Studio in a way that is completely safe, where you do not have any interaction with the outside world and can use Roblox Studio as a standalone game creation engine. Roblox for us is fantastic because it has not only a built-in text editor, but it uses a language called Lua that is very similar to Python, that is easier for students to learn. It has AI functionality, it does level layout, it allows you to build 3D games as well as 2D games. It has multiplayer capability, so you can literally, learn about clients and servers. You also can monetize your Roblox games and earn Robux through game passes and developer products, and in some of our latter levels, we teach the kids how to do that. So software engineer is a modern Python track. It is designed to teach students the foundations of this important language. We do not build games in this level. Instead, we build interesting projects that are still kid and teen friendly, but that teach, again, the foundations of a language that is is useful down the road in our AI engineer track. In fact, for AI engineer, we strongly recommend that students take at least Modern Python 1 and 2. Modern Web Developer is a fantastic track. It teaches students how to learn HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and to create responsive websites that are professional and polished. And kids love, especially once they've built some really cool projects, a lot of times they'll want to show them off to their friends and family, and there's no better way than to actually build a website that can feature your project. So this is a great, again, carrot stick that we love to employ and to encourage kids to learn this valuable skill. AI Engineer is one of our favorite tracks. We've been working on it now for over 2.5 years. It is not a track that teaches you how to do your homework or something like that. It actually teaches you how to build with AI, to code with AI, to design with AI, to architect with AI. We even delve into Python's JDK and access ChatGPT's API to build automations. And eventually, again, what we want to do is to get students to move on to our elective levels, and we'll go there right now. Once you've completed core, our electives go into more depth in some of these areas. So for example, we have an advanced AI elective, which shows you how to build some incredible things with AI using cutting-edge LLMs and other applications. We have, for game development aficionados, we have AAA game engines like Unreal Engine and Unity. We also have a fantastic track called UEFN, which is the game creation engine for Fortnite. We have a machine learning track. We have an entrepreneurship track. We have a Roblox AI development track, super cool. On the web dev side, we have web dev with React, which is a really modern framework. And then ultimately, and this is where this pathway I think really shines, is what we want to do at the end of all of this is to let the students build things that they're really proud of that can be used to help them with college applications, with high school applications, with scholarship applications. Portfolio creation is probably the coolest thing that we do. And again, shippable AI products, websites, web apps, tech startups, tech-enabled 501c3s. Universities are not looking for well-rounded students any longer. They are looking for students that have drilled deep into one or two areas. And if your student is interested in technology, this is a way to drill deep, and that will be communicated. We know how to create a portfolio that is built for these admissions offices that will make your child stand out from the crowd, and that will hopefully propel their future career in technology. So anyway, I hope this has been helpful. Again, this is a suggested pathway that we've found. We've been doing this since 2014. If you're interested in learning more, we actually at CodaKid offer a free private lesson. Just click the link in the notes below to learn more about that. And we like to set up a quick parent orientation Zoom call to learn more about you and your student, your goals, and then that allows us to craft a free private lesson for you. Thanks for your time. Take care.